U.S. Army is set to introduce a revolutionary internal platform allowing combat units to directly select and acquire unmanned aerial vehicles tailored to their mission requirements, according to Defense Scoop on August 8, 2025. This digital, drone marketplace, will replace parts of the traditional centralized procurement system with an online catalog of pre-approved UAVs from vetted American manufacturers, promising faster deployment and greater operational flexibility. The platform is expected to go live in early October. Colonel Danielle Medaglia, who oversees the Army's Unmanned Aircraft Systems program under the Program Executive Office for Aviation, described the tool as a secure repository where soldiers can compare performance metrics and choose the drone best suited to their task. Each system will be classified into bronze, silver, or gold tiers based on endurance, payload, range, and compliance with Pentagon standards. This ensures units select only verified drones without delays from prolonged approval cycles. The initiative aligns with Secretary of Defense Pete Hegseth's directive to integrate cost-effective, AI-enabled drones across all squads by 2026. This push is part of a broader effort to accelerate adoption of battlefield technologies and maintain a decisive advantage over potential adversaries, drawing lessons from recent high-intensity conflicts like Ukraine, where inexpensive drones have proven critical in reconnaissance, artillery coordination, and precision strikes. Globally, militaries are rethinking acquisition processes to quickly field unmanned systems in response to battlefield realities. The Army's marketplace places it at the forefront of this shift, enabling agile procurement that can dynamically match a unit's operational environment, whether urban warfare, border monitoring, maritime operations, or high-altitude surveillance. By fostering direct engagement with U.S. defense manufacturers, the platform is expected to encourage innovation, particularly among small and mid-sized technology firms, and accelerate trends in AI integration and modular UAV design. Operational benefits are clear. Units will have immediate access to drones optimized for specific missions, with the flexibility to swap platforms as threats evolve. Standardized benchmarks, preset logistics packages, and oversight mechanisms will help prevent interoperability issues and maintain consistency across different units, even as procurement decentralizes. While the exact UAVs on the platform remain undisclosed, analysts anticipate a diverse range, from compact ISR quadcopters to long-endurance fixed-wing drones capable of carrying munitions, as well as hybrid VTOL systems for challenging environments. Many will likely feature AI navigation, automated target identification, encrypted communication channels, and modular payloads, with some including anti-jamming and swarm operation capabilities. The concept echoes Ukraine's Brave One market, which lists thousands of drones, robotic systems, and smart munitions. By linking battlefield needs directly to procurement, the U.S. Army's marketplace aims to shorten innovation cycles, improve responsiveness, and ensure troops have immediate access to advanced unmanned systems.